Ever wonder why some things in life seem to flow effortlessly while others feel like a constant uphill battle? Well, it's all about understanding the 12 laws of the universe. These laws, as timeless as the cosmos itself, govern every aspect of our existence. They are the invisible threads that weave the fabric of reality, the unseen forces that shape our lives. From the rhythm of the seasons to the ebb and flow of our emotions, from the pull of gravity to the spark of inspiration, these laws are at work. Understanding them, acknowledging their influence, can lead us to a life of harmony, fulfillment, and success. It's like learning to surf the cosmic waves rather than being swept away by them. So buckle up as we unravel these profound laws one by one. First off, we have the law of divine oneness. We are all connected, and everything we do, say, think, and believe affects the world and the universe around us. Let's dive a little deeper into this concept of oneness and interconnectedness. Imagine, if you will, that we're all threads in a vast cosmic tapestry. Each thread is unique, yet part of the same fabric. What happens to one thread can influence the others. It's the same with us. Our thoughts, words, and actions are like vibrations, rippling out into the universe, touching everything in their path. This is why it's so crucial to harbor positive thoughts, to speak words of kindness, and to act in love. Because these positive energies don't just affect you or the person next to you, they reverberate throughout the universe, creating a ripple effect of positivity. Remember, your actions ripple out, shaping the universe itself. Next up is the law of vibration, which states that everything in the universe moves, vibrates, and travels in circular patterns. It's like an eternal cosmic dance, where every atom, every particle is in a state of constant motion. This dance is not random, but follows precise patterns, rhythms, and cycles. This law is not just about physical matter. Our thoughts, feelings, desires, they all have their unique vibrational frequencies. In our daily life, we are like tuning forks, resonating with the frequencies we put out. Therefore, it's crucial for us to align our personal vibrations with what we desire. Think of it like tuning into a radio station. If you want to listen to jazz, you tune into the jazz station, right? Similarly, to attract love, success, or abundance, you need to tune your vibrations to match those frequencies. Remember, the universe does not respond to what you want, it responds to what you are. To attract positivity, you must vibrate at the same frequency. The third law is the law of action. Without action towards our desires, mere thoughts and dreams serve little purpose. This law stresses the importance of actively pursuing our dreams. Imagine your desires as seeds, your thoughts as the fertile soil, and your actions as the water and sun that make those seeds grow. Without action, those seeds would remain dormant, never sprouting or blossoming into the fruits of our dreams. It's like having a map to a hidden treasure but never setting foot outside to seek it. The map is your dream, your desire. But unless you take action, the treasure remains unclaimed. The law of action is the bridge that connects the realm of dreams and the reality of achievement. It is the spark that ignites the potential within us, turning our dreams into tangible, achievable goals. So don't just dream, take action and make it happen. Because it's not enough to merely desire, we must act to bring our dreams into reality. A fourth on the list is the law of correspondence. This law implies that our outer world is a reflection of our inner world. Imagine a mirror. What you see in it is a reflection of you. Similarly, the circumstances, people, and events in our life are reflections of our inner thoughts and emotions. Now you may ask, how does this work? It's simple. Every thought or emotion we experience creates a specific vibration. These vibrations, in turn, attract similar frequencies from the universe, manifesting our reality. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity, it may be a sign that you're harboring negative thoughts within. Conversely, if you're experiencing joy and success, it's indicative of your positive mindset. Remember, the universe doesn't differentiate between good and bad. It simply reflects what's inside us. So, if you want to change your world, first change within. Alter your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, and watch as your reality transforms. The fifth law is the law of cause and effect. Every action has a reaction or consequence, and we reap what we've sown. It's a universal principle, as constant as the rising sun. It's not about punishment or reward, but rather the natural outcome of our actions. Imagine throwing a pebble into a pond. The ripples that follow are the effect of your cause. Now imagine those ripples are your actions, and the pond is the universe. The ripples spread, touching everything in their path. This law emphasizes the importance of conscious decisions and actions. It reminds us that we hold the power to shape our lives. Every word we speak, every action we take, every decision we make sets a long-term effect in motion. Whether it's a kind gesture, a harsh word, a major decision, or a small choice, each ignites a ripple of cause and effect. Choose wisely, as every choice sets a cause and effect in motion. Next is the law of compensation. This is the law of cause and effect applied to blessings and abundance that are provided for us. Imagine this law as the universe's way of saying thank you. It's a cosmic gratitude for the good deeds and actions we've put into the world. Picture it like a boomerang. You throw out kindness, love, and positivity, and it comes back to you, sometimes in ways you could never anticipate. This law isn't about instant gratification. It's not a vending machine where you insert good deeds and immediately receive rewards. No, it's more subtle and beautiful than that. It's about the long-term balance of give and take. It's about understanding that what you contribute to the world will eventually find its way back to you, often when you least expect it. So remember this: your actions echo into the universe. They ripple through time, touching lives and shaping the world in ways you may never fully understand. Do good and good will come back to you. The seventh law is the well-known law of attraction, which simply states that like attracts like. This law underlines the power of the mind and the significant role it plays in shaping our lives. Our thoughts are like magnets, attracting into our lives whatever we focus on, be it positive or negative. Imagine your mind as a garden. If you plant seeds of positivity, you'll reap a harvest of positive experiences. Conversely, if you sow seeds of negativity, you'll witness a growth of negative experiences. It's as simple as that. This law encourages us to cultivate a positive mindset, to focus on our desires rather than our fears. It invites us to visualize our goals vividly and believe in the possibility of their manifestation. This isn't about wishful thinking, it's about aligning our thoughts with our actions. Focus on what you want to attract and it will come your way. The eighth law is the law of perpetual transmutation of energy, stating that all persons have the power to change the conditions in their lives. This fascinating law tells us that energy is always in motion and consequently can never be idle. It must move and it must change. It's a dance of transformation, a ballet of evolution. Imagine the power of a thought. It may seem intangible, but it is energy. It's a seed that, when nurtured, can flower into reality. This law is about harnessing that energy, that power of thought. It's about guiding that energy to manifest our deepest desires, our dreams, our goals into existence. Take a moment to contemplate the energy within you and around you. It's a vast, swirling cosmos of potential, waiting to be shaped, to be guided. This is the essence of the law of perpetual transmutation of energy. Harness this law and transform your life. Next, we have the law of relativity. Everything in life is neutral, a neutral thing. We create our own reality. This law guides us to understand that our interpretation of events, circumstances, or things is based on our own personal perspective and comparison to others. Consider this. What may seem like a huge problem to you might appear insignificant to another who has faced greater challenges. The intensity of our experiences is often judged by comparing them with others. This comparison allows us to put things into context, providing us with a broader perspective. When we view our problems in the light of others' problems, we're able to see that our issues might not be as daunting as they first appeared. This understanding can bring relief, acceptance, and a renewed sense of energy to overcome the obstacles we face. The law of relativity teaches us the power of perspective. It's all about how we choose to perceive and interpret our personal universe. Remember, it's all about perspective. The 11th law is the law of polarity. This law states that everything is on a continuum and has an opposite. It's like the flip side of a coin, night and day, or joy and sorrow. Each one cannot exist without the other, and they complement each other in the grand scheme of the universe. Understanding the law of polarity can help us make sense of life's contradictions. It's about acknowledging that for every action there is a reaction, For every positive, a negative. It's a dance of contrast that paints the rich tapestry of our existence. Imagine, if you will, a world without the play of opposites. It would be a flat, monotonous reality, devoid of the depth and richness that comes from diversity and contrast. So, when you encounter opposites in life, don't resist them. Instead, see them as two sides of the same coin, integral parts of the whole. Embrace the opposites, they are part of the whole. Finally, we have the law of rhythm. This law states that everything vibrates and moves to certain rhythms. It's a cosmic dance, a universal heartbeat that pulses through every layer of existence. Consider the changing seasons, the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of tides. They all follow a rhythm, a pattern that reflects this law. Even our personal lives are not exempt from this rhythm. We have times of growth and prosperity, and we have times of rest and retreat. Understanding the law of rhythm can help us navigate through life. It teaches us that after every winter there is a spring. After every night there comes a day. It's a gentle reminder that no phase, whether good or bad, lasts forever. So when life seems challenging, remember it's just a part of the rhythm. Embrace it, dance with it, go with the flow, and trust the rhythm of life. So there you have it, the 12 laws of the universe. We've journeyed through the interconnectedness of all things with the law of divine oneness, felt the resonance of the law of vibration, and understood the crucial role of the law of action. We've seen how the law of correspondence mirrors our outer world to our inner world, and how the law of cause and effect governs our actions. We've explored the law of compensation and the magnetic law of attraction. We've delved into the transformative power of the law of perpetual transmutation of energy, and compared realities with the law of relativity. We've balanced the law of polarity and danced with the law of rhythm. Understanding and applying these laws can bring about a profound positive change and growth in your life. It's not just about knowing these laws, it's about living them. Now that you know these laws, it's time to apply them. Start today and watch as your life transforms.